Growing the audience of an Instagram account is more difficult than we normally think. Building a strong audience from the bottom up can take longer than expected, affecting small businesses' time, effort, and money. It would be great to count on an Instagram growth service that can help you boost the audience of your Instagram channel. In this video, we will present Social Boost, an Instagram growth agency that assists businesses and influencers alike in increasing their Instagram followers and improving their engagement. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Professional marketers are hand-trained by Social Boost to manage and build your Instagram account, making it a recognized Instagram marketing service on the market. There are no robots or automated processes in this powerful audience growth service. Social Boost brings in genuine followers who like, comment, and interact with your material. This platform does not employ bots or automation, ensuring that you are fully compliant with Instagram's terms of service. Their crew is hand-selected and trained in the most recent Instagram growth strategies. They monitor and optimize your targeting to increase results continually. Furthermore, they provide monthly handcrafted reports to assist you in understanding the performance of your campaigns. Following the creation of your account, Social Boost will assign your campaign to an Instagram account manager to request your answers about the type of followers you're looking for. After that, you can narrow down your target audience further by employing age, gender, similar accounts, interests, and geolocation. Your Instagram Growth Manager will engage with profiles that met your target audience through following and targeted likes. Following that, a notification will be sent to many of your target accounts, inviting them to view your profile. If they appreciate what they see, they will follow you back and participate in your content. Your Instagram expansion requires exceptional support, analytics, and performance updates. Social Boost provides support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with an average response time of 5 minutes. Additionally, a personal account manager will oversee all aspects of your account and serve as your primary point of contact. A genuine individual will perform actions on your account while using a Social Boost assigned iPhone 5s. As long as you're not spamming and staying on topic, the follow-unfollow method is a highly effective and risk-free social media marketing method. In addition, Social Boost can help you find people that fit your target demographic. Finding an audience for your profile begins with searching for accounts with a high degree of activity. Next, look at the number of followers on the account to see whether it's a good fit for your audience. After you've made a list of the profiles you want to look at, you can keep track of the account's followers and likers. If they like the content and style of your page, they'll do the same. They'll get an email from you. You can try to get a 25% or higher follow-back rate by following and liking 2 or 3 posts from the people you want to connect with. This will even make your follow-back rate even better. As you have seen, Social Boost is an ideal tool to increase the impact of your audience and your follower base with confidence and success. If you want to use Social Boost services, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.